So first of all, very good evening everyone. So why we are here today? So today we are going to discuss a group discussion, a topic, how smart devices influence human behavior. So first we will discuss some keywords like what is human behavior, what are smart devices and all. Okay. So one by one, actually nowadays we are totally dependent on smart devices. So means how many or how much we are totally dependent on smart devices, and smart devices some advantages in our life and disadvantages in our life. Okay. So actually if we are totally dependent on smart device, so means rest of the things, what will happen means what will happen with rest of the things. Actually our mind is totally depend, if our mind is totally depend on smart devices, so some other devices or some other things or some other type of aspects of our life we are living, so what we are thinking about it. Okay. So one by one we will discuss. So first you will tell us what are smart devices. Okay. So welcome to Spoken English by Sambhav Jain. This is Spoken English platform, and where here we are doing group communication. Okay. So Harshit, you will initiate.
Uh, so, a- so as we know that smart devices are the devices that are used in our daily lives to make our life comfortable and easy. It is important in 21st century because it is a century of technology where all the things happen with the help of AI and robotics. All the science and tech information are being given by the government or the offices. I don't know the exact name of the office that have the all the technological informations.
Actually, we have some information technology department by our government. Okay, of our government. So actually there is some security department also, so they handle so many things like some technology, some IT codes and all. Okay, there are some rules in our country in India. So there are some so many IT rules means we are following nowadays, and so many companies also following that kind of rule. But actually someone are just like someone even break their these kind of rules. So that's why we create, or we have to create a problems. Okay, your Ruturaj.
And the rising of smartphones in our modern life, and how smartphones change our communication habits, and is- there are many, we are using lot of smartphones, and we are distract of distract through a smartphone, and day by day we are forget a forget a come face to face interaction.
Actually nowadays face to face interaction is very less because all people are busy in technological devices. Peer.
And now I just want to tell you what is human behavior. Human behavior is just what we think, how we speak, and how we talk. Uh, uh, that's
Smart device is very useful in human beings, and there are many types of smart device like laptops, mobiles, etc. So as everyone have told about the smartphones and human behavior, so let's begin with the statement. Does really I think that it is true because so many people are always distracted and attracted to their smart devices. Some are to laptop, tablets, or mobile phones. They use social media for good use also, but some also use for negative. That affect their human behavior only. They are always stuck at their phone, distracted, not don't spend their times in the physical activities, and also with their parents. There are so many things to do. You can read books also, but some people and some students are always stuck in there, and I think it is affecting most of the young and youth one.
I am fully agree with you. Actually nowadays people are leaving some physical devices like books and all. Okay, Sumit.
This statement is correct because of in the time of present, human human behavior is changed because of smart devices. In the time of 15 year ago, people go to the house and give the blessing. But in the time of present, in 2021st century, in the give the blessings on the festival in the phone, but in the backbite on the back of the peoples.
Actually, Sumit is little bit confused. So Samyak, please clear what Sumit wants to say.
I really don't know what he said. Please tell him to repeat that point.
Sumit wants to say that actually, if we talk about before 15 years ago or 15 years ago, so that time people go to some friends or relatives' house to visit them, and nowadays we are just sharing the messages by the phones. So just we share by the telephones or some technological devices.
Okay, so I think that Sumit wants to say that before some years when there was no more social media or smart devices, so we used to do lots of things. Like he said that he gave an example that but nowadays we are wishing the pupil by the smart devices like phone, smart, like in laptops, PC. But before some years we used to go our relatives' house and our neighbors or our colleagues to visit them by our set, by our voice and by our cell.
Smart device make a life easier because people can do his work easily. Before 50 years ago, do people light the lamps, burn the lamps, and today's life people light the lights on home occasion of Diwali.
Yes, smart device influence human behavior in many ways like decrease concentration and social attachment and addition screen time and can lead to difficulty concentration and decrease emotions and social intelligence and many problems face like sleep problems and as well as mental problems like feel to sadness and etc.
Yes, I am fully agree with all of you. And before 2000, no one don't know how to use technology too much. And if there was anyone birthday, so they can celebrate in their house, and they goes to everyone house to invite them. And everything made up of means everything made in their house. Everything means everything. Nothing is made up of outside. But nowadays we are watching that if there is anyone birthday, so they are telling us we will go there, means in hotel or in anywhere. But before 2000 there was nothing, and by this thing at that time anyone can share our point to that person face to face. But nowadays anyone can share their points, their feelings at Instagram, WhatsApp, and many more websites.
This is a time for the chat GPTs and Meta AI. The teacher give to the some topic, some sentence to the student, but the student but the student cheating from the Meta AI and Chat GPT, it's not good, and it's also impact on relationships. At before time, the people wishing to the happy Diwali on the pupil's home, but at this time, the pupil wishing to the his phone, his laptop, and his devices.
Very good. Harshit.
So I think that so I think that the human behavior is totally influenced by the influencers, because as we know that in the advertisement and in social media, influencer have many content and they have their ideas. So people follow their ideas because they are because they are famous people. So that's why the people behavior changes because of the influencers on social media.
So please conclude this topic. Krishna.
Okay, so as conclusion, I would like to say that there are so many uses of smartphones, and some people are forced to use them. Some uses for their entertainment, but it is not good to use it so much, and also just get attracted or distracted from the other and important things. And we should focus on our main important things, just like student to study and also people to their work. Thank you.
So nice to hear all of you. Okay. So stay connected with us and subscribe our channel Spoken English by Sambhav Jain. Do like, comment, share and subscribe also. Okay. Goodbye everyone.